gonna do today, Diana?
We're gonna hike!
Where?
I don't know where. Where do I hike?
To Bessegen?
No, it's yesterday.
Well, we're here. Where are we?
At Bessegen, the second best.
The second best
Bessegen.
No, we're gonna do Bessegen tomorrow.
Second
an hour.
Yeah?
And then we do a trip of 7 to 9 hours. We
Yay!
had an amazing breakfast. Anna made pancakes, like banana.
Yay!
Super pancakes.
And then we ate yogurt. And hopefully that will get us there because we only have the same amount as food as yesterday.
A bit more.
We had an extra muesli bar.
Yeah.
That's about it. And chocolate. So hopefully we'll make it till 7.
Happy Diana in the morning! It's a rare view, people.
Oh no.
No, 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 no. No, no, no. Stay.
Who is looking forward to the hike?
Me.
That's it. No, me too.
I'm gonna film you in like 1 hour and see how excited you are then.
I'm so excited. I just cannot. It's like we're a musical. Sorry. I'm about to lose control.
She's really about to lose control.
It's the coffee.
Oh, coffee.
Oh, coffee.
We're going again!
Yeah.
Look at the vlogging life. Yeah, get in. Get in, girl!
You're so fluffy. Oh, where are you from? You're so fluffy. Where are we? I don't know the names. You always are putting in me. I don't know.
Where are we?
Hopefully somewhere with a toilet.
What?
Membrubu.
Okay.
Membrubu.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Okay, nice.
Beautiful place.
It's like unreal, you know.
I go.
Are we going up there? Like there?
Yes, we're probably gonna walk there and then back here. And we're cold already,
Yeah.
so it's gonna be awesome.
Yay!
But it's gonna be really pretty probably, and the boat trip's also gonna be really.
Well, it's in the mist, so it's not gonna be that pretty, you know? Expect from today.
It's gonna be a roller coaster of emotions. It's gonna be like up and down and up and down and up and down, down, down. It's gonna be like, oh, they're gonna be like, oh, so cold. They're like, okay, we did it, we did it. They're like, oh, I'm starving. They're like, no, okay, fine. This is how it's gonna be.
That's how it's gonna be. What do you think I was gonna be?
I think it's gonna be really easy.
Like easy
Easy like this. I don't know why all the people are wearing like real hiking stuff. I think
goddamn way your
really
Crocs and
well
flip flops are gonna do that.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see about that.
Se det mäktiga moln, vilkas fjärran höga toppar stolta skimrande resa sig.
So far.
Super great.
Yeah, we're going pretty far. We're back down, like exactly 1 hour ago. And then we go up there, and then we're not going like up there, right?
I don't think so. We go behind it, I think. Oh yeah.
Oh my god, yes! Woohoo!
Bitar som vit snö, lugna glidade fram för att slutligen lugna sakta lösande sig i en skur av svala droppar.
One eternity later.
They made it.
This is the view.
We had a lot of compassion for Micah and also for you.
Not
Not
for
for
me.
you.
Thanks.
So fine.
But we had this moment
Focusing on the
when we were actually thinking of the people who are afraid of heights, because we were like, okay, we're not afraid of heights, but it's like,
But we were really afraid.
Even I, at some point, I thought like,
yeah.
I'm close to the edge.
Long live rock climbing.
So guys, where are we?
At the top,
Yeah.
we made it, and now we have
Chocolate time.
as a reward.
And we're like up.
Really happy with it.
I think we started back there in the water somewhere, like all the way back.
Yeah.
And now we're like on top here, and there is nothing basically. Just
That's where we're going.
there's like rocks.
On the moon.
Yeah, we could be everywhere. And we go that road until we don't know. Look at the focus in her face. We just focus in her eyes. We have DJ of the moment.
And baby, all I need is a little bit. This.
Okay, let's go back through the moon landscape to the beer ambulance. How happy are you with Norwegian rap?
Nice.
Yeah, right?
Nice. It kind of gets you the kick. Kick in the knee.
It's so good.
Accomplish things like this.
Dancing on the most beautiful spot in the world.
Nå blir det flommarsj her, altså. Nå som fotballkarrieren min er død, kan jeg endelig få båten min på sjøen. Motoren gikk til helvete i Kragerø, men alt kan repareres. Svir i stykker pølser på engangsgrill. Ikke mer trening, jeg tar det helt chill. Skal jeg få sommerkroppen som jeg vil, så må jeg opereres. De har en klinikk for meg på Majorstua. Det fikser meg så utrolig bra. Du kan stikke og trene noe squats. Jeg skal opereres. Sol, øl, smiler til kamera, loff, smør. Chiller og slapper av, lever som aldri før. Gidder ikke trene, men jeg kan operere. Sol, øl, smiler til kamera, loff, smør. Chiller og slapper av, lever som aldri før. Gidder ikke trene, men jeg kan operere.
You come from there, like there, and
Like all
yay!
Sweet.
Like,
From Alabama.
hey, on the camera!